Mercedes-Benz's 2026 GLS Maybach is the epitome of luxury, technology, and performance in the SUV market. It combines the GLS class's versatility and presence with the Maybach sub-brand's bespoke refinement and opulence. Over the years, Mercedes-Benz has meticulously established the GLS as its premier SUV, frequently referred to as the S-Class of sport utility vehicles. However, the Maybach interpretation enhances the experience even further. Mercedes intends to redefine expectations with the 2026 iteration by introducing a model that integrates advanced engineering, a serene and luxurious cabin, remarkable exterior styling, and powertrains that are suitable for both environmentally conscious and performance-oriented purchasers. Designed to compete directly with competitors such as the Bentley Bentayga, the Rolls-Royce Cullinan, and the Range Rover SV, the GLS Maybach provides a distinctive German approach to technology integration and craftsmanship. When performance is assessed, the 2026 GLS Maybach provides a driving experience that transcends mere numbers and encompasses effortless capability, refinement, and fluidity. A 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, which has been further optimized with the brand's most recent hybridization technology, is the core of the SUV. A variety of powertrain options are available. Despite its substantial size and weight, this engine generates approximately 550 horsepower and 538 pound-feet of torque, which is sufficient to accelerate the vehicle from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 4.8 seconds. Mercedes' EQ Boost system, a mild hybrid 48-volt system, is the hybrid component. It reduces turbo lag and improves fuel efficiency, while also providing an extra surge of power during acceleration. In 2026, Mercedes is reportedly planning to introduce a plug-in hybrid version of the GLS Maybach for buyers who desire even greater capabilities. This variant will combine the same V8 engine with a larger battery pack and electric motor, enabling up to 50 miles of all-electric driving. This represents a substantial improvement over previous designs. The GLS Maybach's performance is not solely determined by its acceleration figures. Rather, its true strength is in its ability to provide a ride quality that envelopes passengers in tranquility and comfort. The SUV has been outfitted with Mercedes' most advanced suspension system to date, the e-Active Body Control. This system employs cameras and sensors to monitor the road surface in real time and actively modify the suspension. This system virtually eliminates body roll, ensuring that the GLS Maybach glides over rugged terrain as if it were afloat. The GLS Maybach guarantees that both the driver and passengers are protected from external disturbances by utilizing the adaptive air suspension and the vehicle's ability to be raised or lowered in accordance with the circumstances. Although it is a substantial luxury SUV, the handling has not been overlooked. The vehicle's maneuverability is maintained in urban environments through the use of rear-wheel steering, an advanced all-wheel drive system, and precise steering calibration, while stability is never compromised during highway traveling. The braking system is equally impressive, featuring large ventilated discs and regenerative braking systems that enhance stopping force and contribute energy back to the hybrid system. In terms of the motor, the 2026 GLS Maybach is the most recent iteration of Mercedes-Benz engineering capabilities. The 4.0-liter V8 is meticulously hand-built and incorporates lightweight materials to improve efficiency without sacrificing strength. The EQ Boost system employs an integrated starter generator to add approximately 20 additional horsepower in brief spurts, while the V of the engine is home to twin turbochargers that optimize airflow and reduce response times. Additionally, this technology facilitates emissions reduction, seamless coasting on highways, and smoother start-stop functions, which are consistent with Mercedes' objective of enhancing sustainability throughout its product line. Although not yet confirmed in all markets, the plug-in hybrid variant is anticipated to combine this V8 with a battery pack of approximately 28 kilowatt-hours capacity, allowing for silent city transportation with zero emissions. Fast charging capability is a component of charging infrastructure compatibility that guarantees practicality for individuals who anticipate frequent electric power usage. Mercedes may also provide a detuned 6-cylinder hybrid engine as a more efficient alternative in specific regions. However, the Maybach model's primary focus is on power, prestige, and exclusivity. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLS Maybach's exterior is readily identifiable as distinct from the standard GLS, demonstrating a level of exclusivity and detail that bolsters its position as the pinnacle of the SUV lineup. The front fascia is characterized by a commanding grille that is exclusive to Maybach. It is characterized by polished surfaces, vertical chrome slats, and the iconic double M emblem, which is discreetly incorporated into the design. The latest digital light technology is employed to project symbols and adaptive patterns onto the road surface, thereby enhancing safety, with the grille flanked by slimmer LED headlamps. The premium character is further emphasized by the chrome accents that adorn the lower bumper and side intakes. The GLS Maybach presents an elongated and graceful side profile, featuring chrome window surrounds, exclusive wheel designs that range from 21 to 23 inches, and subtle Maybach badging on the D-pillars. A two-tone paint scheme is accessible, which enables the creation of a distinctive appearance that seamlessly integrates tradition and modernity. The rear of the vehicle maintains the sophisticated design language, featuring a sculpted bumper that houses integrated exhaust outlets, sleek LED taillights connected by a chrome strip, and a power-operated tailgate that flawlessly conceals its advanced utility. Aerodynamics are a critical component of the 2026 GLS Maybach's design, as the vehicle's sleek body lines and active elements mitigate wind noise and drag. Triple-sealed doors, acoustic glass, and extensive insulation materials ensure that the interior remains whisper-quiet even at highway speeds. The vehicle's imposing posture is further accentuated by the long wheelbase, which not only improves passenger comfort but also establishes a genuine presence on the road. The GLS is not your typical SUV. It is a model that epitomizes the pinnacle of Mercedes SUV craftsmanship, as evidenced by the subtle yet distinctive Maybach insignia. Upon entering the 2026 GLS Maybach, one is met with an interior that embodies the essence of luxury. The cabin is intended to offer a sanctuary to its inhabitants, combining handcrafted details with state-of-the-art technology. The highest quality materials are utilized, such as Napa leather upholstery, natural wood veneers, polished metal accents, and customizable ambient illumination that enables passengers to establish their desired ambience. The second row of the seating configuration is specifically designed to provide the utmost comfort, featuring executive-style reclining seats that can be adjusted to multiple positions. These seats are equipped with massage functions, heating, ventilation, and optional calf supports. The Maybach variant's emphasis on rear seat luxury frequently leads purchasers to select the 4-seat configuration, which includes a fixed center console that contains climate controls, cup holders, and even a refrigerator for beverages. Despite this, the third row remains functional. The cabin's technology is equally remarkable. The focal point is Mercedes' most recent MBUX infotainment system, which is presented on 2 large displays with intuitive operation and crystal-clear resolution. Passengers can interact with the system in a natural manner through voice control, while drivers can receive clear and accurate guidance through augmented reality navigation. Wireless headphones, individual entertainment displays, and a high-speed internet connection provide rear-seat passengers with a private theater-like experience while on the move. Sound quality is provided by a Burmester 4D surround system, which incorporates speakers into the cabin structure and seats to generate an immersive aural experience. An ionized air filtration system, a 4-zone climate control system, and even fragrance diffusion enable owners to personalize the cabin atmosphere, further enhancing comfort. Hand-stitched leather, Maybach insignia embossed into the headrests, and customizable trim options guarantee that no two interiors are identical. Buyers have the option of selecting from a diverse array of interior themes, whether they favor flamboyant, modern contrast, or classic, understated elegance. From the soft-touch dashboard to the knurled metal controls, every surface has been meticulously designed to create an environment that is both modern and immutable. With features such as adaptive cruise control, automated parking, lane centering, and a 360-degree camera system, advanced driver assistance systems guarantee the safety of both the driver and other passengers. Mercedes has also endowed the GLS Maybach with Level 3 semi-autonomous driving capability for specific markets. This feature enables the vehicle to assume control in specific highway conditions while the driver remains available to intervene. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLS Maybach is priced at a premium due to its exclusivity and strategic location. The anticipated base price in the United States is approximately $180,000. However, completely equipped models with bespoke interiors, advanced packages, and two-tone paint are capable of exceeding $250,000. This positions the GLS Maybach in direct competition with other ultra-luxury SUVs, yet it maintains an advantage by combining Mercedes' technological sophistication with Maybach's bespoke craftsmanship. In addition to purchasing a vehicle, purchasers are also making an investment in a statement of exclusivity, refinement, and prestige that is unparalleled by other SUVs. In conclusion, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLS Maybach epitomizes the ideals that contemporary luxury SUVs strive to achieve. It guarantees a seamless and effortless performance by integrating state-of-the-art suspension and handling technology with a robust and efficient engine array. Maybach-specific elements distinguish the exterior design from the standard GLS, providing a sense of authority and elegance. The interior offers an unparalleled level of customization, technology, and comfort. The GLS Maybach is a vehicle that is highly sought after by individuals who prioritize prestige, innovation, and craftsmanship. This is due to the fact that its anticipated price is indicative of its premium status. It is not merely a mode of transportation. It is a mobile embodiment of sophistication and wealth, engineered to deliver a first-class experience on every voyage. The 2026 GLS Maybach guarantees that Mercedes remains at the vanguard of the luxury automotive landscape as it evolves, providing an SUV that is equally focused on engineering excellence and experience. One of the most ambitious undertakings ever undertaken by Mercedes in the luxury SUV segment is the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLS Maybach. Over the past decade, the automotive landscape has been transformed by the emergence of ultra-luxury SUVs, which combine the practicality and commanding presence of a large sport utility vehicle with the traditional limousine comfort. Mercedes-Benz has consistently been at the forefront of this trend, and with the GLS Maybach, the German automaker has developed a vehicle that not only competes with its competitors, including the Rolls-Royce Cullinan and Bentley Bentayga, but also surpasses them in terms of technology, refinement, and overall comfort. The GLS Maybach will maintain its status as the brand's premier SUV and establish new standards in the areas of performance, design, and passenger luxury with the introduction of several significant improvements in the 2026 model year. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLS Maybach is engineered with an emphasis on effortlessness. Mercedes engineers endeavor to develop a vehicle that delivers immense power in the most efficient manner while gliding over any surface, rather than concentrating solely on speed and aggressive handling. The GLS Maybach is equipped with a state-of-the-art 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that is concealed beneath its sophisticated exterior. This engine has become a defining feature of Mercedes-Benz performance. However, it has been further refined and combined with the brand's most recent hybrid technology for the Maybach application. The V8 generates approximately 550 horsepower and 538 pound-feet of torque, which is sufficient to propel the substantial SUV with assurance. Furthermore, Mercedes incorporates a mild hybrid 48-volt EQ boost system, which enhances efficiency and provides an additional 20 horsepower during acceleration surges. This enables the SUV to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 4.8 seconds, a remarkable accomplishment for a vehicle of its dimensions and weight. However, the GLS Maybach's primary objective is not to achieve lightning-fast acceleration. The genuine performance narrative is characterized by the capacity to provide a tranquil driving experience, regardless of the circumstances, and refinement and smoothness. The sophisticated suspension system is a critical component of this accomplishment. E-Active Body Control is a feature of the SUV that employs a network of sensors and cameras to scan the road ahead and modify the suspension as necessary. This system is capable of virtually eliminating body roll during cornering and guarantees that the vehicle maintains a level journey over rough terrain. The result is a driving experience that is more akin to floating on a cloud than traditional SUV transportation when combined with adaptive air suspension. Mercedes has also implemented rear-wheel steering, which enhances stability at higher velocities and improves maneuverability in congested urban environments. The all-wheel drive system has been optimized to prioritize the delivery of smooth power over aggressive dynamics, resulting in an unwavering sense of stability for occupants. Mercedes is also anticipated to provide a plug-in hybrid version of the 2026 GLS Maybach in addition to the mild hybrid version. This version combines the V8 engine with a more substantial battery cell, enabling a pure electric driving range of up to 50 miles. This development is especially significant in urban areas, where emissions regulations are becoming increasingly stringent. The plug-in hybrid option will enable owners to travel brief distances solely on electric power, resulting in near-silent operation and environmental benefits. Support for rapid charging has also been added to improve charging compatibility, thereby minimizing downtime. Mercedes may introduce a 6-cylinder hybrid powertrain for markets that prioritize efficiency over unadulterated power. However, the V8 remains the primary component of the Maybach identity. Setting it apart from the standard GLS, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLS Maybach's exterior design continues to emanate sophistication and authority. The SUV's exclusive status is immediately apparent due to the distinctive double M emblem and a Maybach-specific grille with vertical chrome slats at the front. Mercedes' digital light technology is integrated into the sleek LED headlamps that flank the grille. This technology not only enhances illumination but also projects helpful symbols onto the road. The refined chrome accents on the lower bumper provide a sense of grandeur without appearing ostentatious. Upon moving to the side, the GLS Maybach's proportions exude both strength and elegance. A long wheelbase creates a commanding presence on the road and provides ample capacity for rear passengers. The SUV is further distinguished from its less expensive counterparts by its subtle Maybach badging on the D-pillars, unique wheel designs that vary from 21 to 23 inches, and chrome window surrounds. The optional two-tone paint scheme is one of the most striking features of the GLS Maybach. In the GLS, this design choice lends an unmistakable air of exclusivity, and it has long been a hallmark of the Maybach brand. A vast array of color combinations is available to buyers, each of which is distinguished by a hand-applied pinstripe that emphasizes the meticulous craftsmanship. The SUV maintains a cohesive and elegant appearance at the rear. The bumper conceals exhaust outlets that are discreetly incorporated, and the slim LED taillights are connected by a chrome strip. The power-operated tailgate has been meticulously engineered to complement the overall aesthetic. Aerodynamics are an additional essential element of the exterior design. Mercedes has meticulously designed the body to minimize wind noise and reduce drag, resulting in a cabin experience that is whisper-quiet even at highway velocities. This effect is achieved through the use of acoustic glass, triple-sealed doors, and extensive insulation, which guarantees that passengers are protected from the external environment. The GLS Maybach is not merely an SUV, it is a mobile declaration of refinement and authority that attracts attention wherever it travels. A luxurious interior that redefines the definition of luxury in an SUV is housed within the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLS Maybach. The cabin is a haven of comfort, technology, and craftsmanship, constructed with the assumption that the majority of owners will prefer to spend their time in the rear seats rather than behind the wheel. The second row is the true centerpiece, boasting executive-class seating that can be reclined, extended, and massaged with the simple press of a button. Heating and ventilation are included as standard, and optional footrests and calf supports are available to ensure the utmost comfort during extended trips. Buyers have the option of selecting either a conventional 5-seat layout or a more exclusive 4-seat configuration. The latter replaces the center seat with a console that includes stowage compartments, cup holders, and even a refrigerator for chilled beverages. The cabin's materials are of the utmost quality. Genuine wood veneers, polished metals, and piano black embellishments establish a timeless elegance, while Napa leather upholstery covers nearly every surface. The experience is further enhanced by hand-stitched details, customizable ambient illumination, and embossed Maybach emblems on the headrests. Buyers have the option of selecting from a diverse selection of interior themes, including daring and modern color combinations and understated classic tones. Mercedes provides an almost infinite number of customization options, enabling owners to customize their GLS Maybach to their liking. Technology is seamlessly incorporated into the cabin, guaranteeing that passengers are entertained and connected. Mercedes' most recent MBUX infotainment system, which is displayed on dual high-resolution displays on the dashboard, serves as the focal point. Voice control enables users to interact with the system in a natural manner, while augmented reality navigation offers precise road directions. A private theater-like experience is created for rear passengers through the use of individual entertainment displays, wireless headphones, and a high-speed internet connection. The Burmester 4D surround sound system elevates the audio experience by incorporating speakers not only within the seats but also throughout the cabin, resulting in a completely immersive experience. Seating and entertainment are not the only aspects of comfort. The GLS Maybach is equipped with a 4-zone climate control system which guarantees that each passenger can experience their preferable temperature. A fragrance diffusion system enables owners to customize the atmosphere by selecting from a variety of aromas, while ionized air filtration maintains a fresh and pollutant-free cabin. From the soft-touch dashboard to the knurled metal controls, even the slightest details have been meticulously considered. This environment is intended to provide its inhabitants with a luxurious experience. Additionally, driver assistance and safety technologies are of the highest quality. The GLS Maybach is equipped with a comprehensive array of systems, including automated parking, adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and a 360-degree camera system. Mercedes has also implemented Level 3 semi-autonomous driving capability in specific markets for the 2026 model year. This feature enables the vehicle to assume complete control on specific highways while the driver remains accessible to intervene if required. The GLS Maybach is not only one of the safest SUVs on the market, but it is also one of the most comfortable due to these advancements. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLS Maybach's estimated price is indicative of its status as the epitome of luxury. The anticipated basic price in the United States is approximately $180,000. Nevertheless, purchasers who elect for more exclusive paint schemes, bespoke interior options, or advanced technology packages can anticipate that the price will easily exceed $250,000. This places the GLS Maybach firmly in the ultra-luxury SUV category, where performance is not the only factor. Exclusivity and personalization are equally significant. The appeal of the GLS Maybach is not solely derived from the vehicle itself, but rather from its symbolic significance for numerous purchasers. It is a representation of sophistication, refinement, and prosperity that is intended to distinguish itself from the ordinary. In summary, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLS Maybach is significantly more than a mere luxury SUV. It is the result of decades of innovation, craftsmanship, and engineering expertise. Its engine lineup incorporates both conventional V8 strength and contemporary hybrid efficiency, resulting in effortless power and plastic refinement. Maybach-specific details and exclusive finishes distinguish the exterior design, which exudes elegance and authority. The interior redefines opulence, offering an atmosphere that is comparable to the most prestigious limousines in the world. Lastly, its estimated price is indicative of its status as an object of desire and exclusivity. The GLS Maybach is engineered to offer a unique experience that transcends mere transportation, integrating state-of-the-art technology, prestige, and comfort. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLS Maybach is not merely an option, it is the standard for those who strive for excellence in the realm of luxury SUVs. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLS Maybach is a significant vehicle in the ultra-luxury SUV segment, a market that has experienced rapid growth over the past decade and has become one of the most competitive arenas for manufacturers seeking to combine practicality, performance, and exclusivity. The GLS has been considered the S-Class of SUVs within the Mercedes-Benz lineup for a long time. However, the Maybach designation significantly enhances its already remarkable standard. Mercedes' objective in reintroducing Maybach as an ultra-luxury sub-brand was to create an environment in which engineering excellence and the highest levels of personalization intersected. The GLS Maybach is the most successful embodiment of this vision in an SUV body. The GLS Maybach is entering a new phase with the 2026 model year, which has been updated to satisfy the demands of increasingly wealthy buyers across global markets and to anticipate new expectations in sustainability, connectivity, and comfort. It is a vehicle that is both a technological showcase and a prestige symbol, intended to provide the highest level of luxury to its passengers while also providing a driving experience that is surprisingly refined for its size and weight. The performance characteristics of the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLS Maybach are designed to provide a smooth and effortless ride, rather than to emphasize sports car dynamics or aggressive driving. The Maybach SUV is distinguished by its capacity to provide exceptional power, while simultaneously shielding occupants from any sense of exertion. A 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, which is hand-assembled to exacting standards, is located beneath the bonnet. Mercedes' EQ-Boost mild hybrid system, a 48-volt system that enhances overall efficiency and adds an additional 20 horsepower in brief bursts, is paired with this unit, which delivers approximately 550 horsepower and 538 pound-feet of torque. The seamless acceleration, turbo lag, and fluid power delivery are all facilitated by the integration of this hybrid system. The GLS Maybach is capable of accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 5 seconds, despite its size and mass, a remarkable feat for a vehicle that is primarily designed for comfort and refinement. However, the GLS Maybach's true brilliance is not in the figures. Rather, it is in the manner in which the power is transmitted. Mercedes engineers concentrated on developing an SUV that defies gravity and effortlessly traverses any terrain. This is accomplished by employing the brand's state-of-the-art e-active body control suspension system, which utilizes a network of cameras and sensors to survey the road ahead and make millisecond adjustments to the suspension. This enables the GLS Maybach to virtually eliminate body roll, absorb imperfections, and maintain a level ride in situations where other large SUVs would struggle. The system guarantees that occupants are completely cocooned in comfort by combining adaptive air suspension and the capacity to adjust ride height in accordance with the terrain. In addition to enhancing stability and confidence at higher speeds, rear-wheel steering adds an additional layer of sophistication, enabling the large SUV to maneuver with surprising agility in confined spaces. Mercedes is also preparing to offer a plug-in hybrid version of the GLS Maybach for the 2026 model year. This variant utilizes the identical 4.0-liter V8 engine, but is coupled with a more potent, larger electric motor and a substantial battery pack, which allows for approximately 50 miles of pure electric driving. This is especially crucial in urban areas where emissions regulations are becoming increasingly stringent. It enables owners to experience the advantages of silent, emissions-free driving for brief distances, while maintaining the complete performance and range of the V8 for longer trips. Built-in fast-charging capabilities guarantee that the battery can be recharged promptly and easily. However, the V8 remains the definitive powertrain for the Maybach brand. Although in certain regions, a 6-cylinder hybrid may also be available for those who prioritize efficiency over outright performance. The powertrain is a testament to the brilliance of contemporary engineering. The engine block's V configuration houses the twin turbochargers, which enhances responsiveness and reduces the length of ventilation paths. The use of lightweight materials throughout guarantees that strength is never compromised, while simultaneously reducing the overall mass. The EQ Boost starter generator's integration not only provides power but also enables the vehicle to coast silently on highways, recover energy during acceleration, and operate smoothly at start-stop. Mercedes is ensuring that Maybach clients never feel they are compromising on performance while transitioning to a more sustainable future, as evidenced by the balance between traditional power and modern electrification. It is evident from the exterior of the 2026 GLS Maybach that this is not your typical luxury SUV. It adds layers of detail, refinement, and distinction that elevate the GLS into a category of its own, building upon its already imposing form. The SUV is distinguished by a grille that is exclusive to Maybach, featuring polished surfaces, subtle Maybach insignia, and vertical chrome slats at the front. This grille is accompanied by sleek, advanced digital light LED headlights that not only provide exceptional visibility, but also have the ability to project warning symbols and adaptive light patterns onto the road, thereby improving the safety of both the driver and pedestrians. The bumper is adorned with supplementary chrome accents that are seamlessly incorporated to lend an air of sophistication without being overly ostentatious.